I'm Dr. Joseph Papp with Delaware and Sunbury Smile Centers. We've been in practice for over 12 years in Delaware, and in 1965 our Sunbury office was opened by Dr. Milam. We do general dentistry, we do extractions, root canals, ortho, traditional ortho with braces, also Invisalign, which is the clear liner trays, and we have that all under one roof, so you don't have to go anywhere. We can do all those procedures here in office with our talented staff of assistants and dentists. We try to stay up to date with the most recent technology with 3D cone beam scans for when we place implants. We actually can take CT scans and digitally place the implants before we actually go to surgery. We also have 3D scanners for taking impressions for crowns. This is the mini dental implant option, where we actually place implants on the top and bottom of your mouth if you're missing your teeth, and we can attach your denture directly to the implants themselves. We really specialize in treating and taking care of the families and friends of the communities that we're a part of.